Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see might completely change the way you think about family SUVs. This is the all-new 2026 Toyota Innova Crysta, and it could be Toyota's most impressive MPV yet. With a bold new design, a premium cabin, advanced technology, and the legendary reliability Toyota is known for, this latest Innova is built to impress. But is it really worth the upgrade? Stay with me until the end, because we're covering every detail that makes this vehicle one of the most exciting family cars of 2026. The 2026 Toyota Innova Crysta arrives with a confident new personality. At first glance, you immediately notice its commanding front fascia. The large chrome grille, sleek LED projector headlights, and striking daytime running lights create a premium presence that feels more luxurious than ever before. Every angle of the vehicle has been refined to give it a stronger road presence while maintaining the practicality that Innova owners have loved for years. Moving around the side, the long silhouette emphasizes comfort and space. The chrome window surrounds, elegant body lines, stylish alloy wheels, and refined proportions make this MPV look modern and upscale. Finished in deep ocean blue metallic, the paint reflects light beautifully, giving the vehicle a sophisticated appearance, whether it's parked in a showroom or driving through city streets. At the rear, Toyota has redesigned the LED taillights with a cleaner and more premium look. The roof spoiler, chrome garnish, and sculpted bumper complete the design, making the Innova Crysta look balanced from every angle. It has the confidence of an SUV while retaining the practicality of a spacious family MPV. Opening the driver's door reveals one of the biggest improvements. The cabin immediately feels premium. Soft touch materials cover the dashboard, while metallic accents and ambient lighting create a luxurious atmosphere. The new leather-wrapped steering wheel feels comfortable in your hands, and the digital instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information in a modern and easy-to-read layout. At the center of the dashboard sits a large high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, music, phone calls, and vehicle settings are all accessible through a clean and responsive interface. Toyota has also improved voice recognition, making daily driving more convenient than ever before. Comfort has always been the Innova's strongest feature, and the 2026 model raises the bar again. The front seats offer improved cushioning and support for long-distance driving. Higher trims feature ventilated leather seats, power adjustment, and memory functions. The second-row captain seats provide outstanding comfort, generous legroom, reclining functions, and individual armrests, creating a true executive-class experience. Even the third row offers enough space for adults, making this one of the most practical seven-seaters in its class. Storage is another area where the Innova excels. There are multiple cup holders, USB charging ports in every row, spacious door pockets, and clever storage compartments throughout the cabin. Fold the third-row seats, and the cargo area becomes large enough for family vacations, airport luggage, or outdoor adventures. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to continue offering reliable and efficient powertrains that balance performance with fuel economy. Smooth acceleration, refined engine noise, and dependable long-term durability remain key strengths of the Innova Crysta. Whether you're driving through busy city traffic or cruising comfortably on the highway, the engine delivers confidence without sacrificing efficiency. Ride quality is another highlight. Toyota's suspension absorbs bumps with ease, creating a smooth and comfortable driving experience for every passenger. Combined with excellent sound insulation, the cabin remains remarkably quiet even at highway speeds, making long journeys relaxing for both the driver and passengers. Safety has become one of Toyota's highest priorities, and the 2026 Innova Crysta reflects that commitment. Multiple airbags, electronic stability control, ABS with EBD, traction control, hill start assist, rear parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert work together to provide confidence on every journey. These advanced safety technologies help protect both the driver and passengers while reducing stress during everyday driving.